this pipe, the bellows pipe, will just disconnect right here, and then they'll just kind of lift off. But here,
what about this giant bolt thing?
So right here, these are bell housing bolts. You see these?
Yeah, and that holds oil.
Every one of those, no, they don't. Every one of these has to come out.
How are we gonna get those out?
You're gonna start taking them out. I'll get the size.
But it's so tight. What? That's impossible. Who designed this? I demand to know who designed this.
Your dad?
No.
Your mama?
No.
Your Joe Biden?
Dad, who designed this boat?
I don't know.
They should have moved the engine right here.
Someone from Minnesota, maybe? I don't know.
Of course, Minnesotans. Who would take a road trip?
See? Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Up is loose. So.
Huh?
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to disconnect the alternator, but I don't want to disconnect all this stuff, all the wires.
Okay.
Well, maybe I do. I don't know. No, I really don't.
Stuff removed.
Okay. So this, we'll just go like this. Okay, now that the engine's out, we can take a little bit closer look here and kind of see what's going on. So, pull this back. You can see here that had some, it's not like completely soft, but, oh, maybe it is. It's pretty rotten. So that's what's going on here. We're gonna end up taking a closer look at all this. We'll get this bell housing out of here, get it all out, and figure out what needs to be done. So there is a soft spot on the floor here on the driver's side. It wasn't soft last time I used this boat, but I don't think it was watertight either. So I am on day 2 on working on our boat, and what I need to do is pull the engine mounts or bracketry. Don't know what the official term would be, but this obviously holds the transmission to the boat, and then the bell housing on the inside for the engine. It all kind of mates together. This needs to come off so we can expose the rotted transom area. And then once that's done, there's some peripheral items that we'll need removing. I'll go ahead and remove those, and then I will have a better idea of what needs to be chopped out, chipped out. A lot of work left. I don't think there's a rip in this. This is actually 20 years old. I replaced this back in, it's 25 years old. I replaced it back in 2000. Exhaust bellows will need replacing. There's some type of rip in it, and it's checked and not very good condition, so that will get replaced. This cable is going to need replacing. I need to take that motor right there. Hey,
Yeah.
that's the hydraulics to lift up the trim for the propeller. I'm gonna take that out. We're gonna disconnect the steering mechanism. All right. Then I'm gonna have
I can unfasten that.
we're going to, after we get that stuff off, then I'm gonna have you loosen all the bolts up, and I'm gonna slide that out, hopefully. Okay?
Want me to take that, like, all the transmission wire off, like,
No.
unscrew the
Not yet.
shifter?
And I can't wait until the boat is finally done.
So,
So you know when we get 100% on like take all this out, it's actually just 50% because we gotta put everything back in.
let's see.
We still gotta put everything back in.
A tad small, like one size down.
Don't. You're acting like a cat. So we reset today?
That fits. I'm gonna need a.
Okay.
Don't act like you cat.
I'm not. I really want a doggy.
Might not fit under
Dad,
that.
how about when we get a dog, let's name it Aubrey. Should we, Dad? And what should we name
No, I think we're gonna retire Aubrey's name.
One.
Is there a way we could get this like a little
Here.
bit shorter?
How about we name this boat Aubrey, nickname this boat? We're not supposed to have nicknames, but I don't know.
Yeah, it's gonna be difficult.
This is its nickname.
Like, do we have like the smaller version of that long one? No, it doesn't have to be very long. I just
I think that's a ginormous storm! I think the ginormous storm!
starting to get windy.
There you go. Okay.
Little taps did the job.
Now.
The minute you did that, it just stopped. Well, sliding. Wait, no, I see 2 bolts right here.
Yeah, but those are connected to the actual frame.
Which something's
This is gonna
telling
be
me-
like stuck.
Wait, I think I know why. Okay, it's moving. Careful, careful. Will this thing fall out itself? Do you want me to get like something to hold it up at least? When it comes out?
It won't just fall out that way.
What is it? Is it going?
Not really.
Is it because of the threads back and the threads are... Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I recommend you come out and just seize.
Okay. I'm gonna do this top one here.
Okay, stop. I can pull it out. Don't.
Yep, no, I'm not doing it. Okay. So, are they all out except for... Okay. Alright, grab it. I'm not...
All three?
That's all of them except for the corner
Yeah,
here.
so come down here. It's stuck on this white pin, you know? Or
Okay.
this white bolt that holds on a pin.
Alright. Grab the other bolt that just shot out.
You mean all three? And the threads are still okay.
Okay.
It's that, Dad, you gave these boys a clean.
Yeah, now the problem's gonna be is getting this out.
It's coming, I think. Keep doing that. Oh yeah, it's shaking the whole back panel though.
Yeah, it's like it's glued on.
What's
Oh.
this little bullet thing right here? This little bullet thing.
That holds the steering mechanism.
Can I unscrew
No.
it?
You cannot.
Did we fully cut the cock? Right.
Yeah, I cut it, but
Is there like some back glue maybe? Huh?
hard to say. Ooh, what was that?
I hear something moving. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I see it. Oh, there you go. The whole bottom back came off. It's definitely glued. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you're getting it. Yeah,
Right.
it's coming. I can hold the back panel here. And... Woo.
Issue is gonna be. How do I get that off? Get this off. It's like we're gonna have to.
Here, I'll eat hot and health problems, so... Okay. Oh dear, is that raw or is that mold?
That's rot.
It's not mold?
No, well, could be. It's all dry rot.
Is that bad?
That's
Well-
what we're looking to address.
So is the structural frame underneath with the wood damaged? Or is it hard to say?
That's what we're gonna have to figure out. How much of it is damaged.
Well, we have a ton of lumber, but I don't think we have like boat grade lumber.
This is soft right here. That's soft right there.
Hey Dad,
Yeah.
did the pump ever have to get used?
That?
Yeah, like
Yeah. Like if it rained or something.
but is that regular to use the bilge pump a ton?
Yeah. When it would actually fill up with water on its own.
Out on the lake?
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder. I was gonna say, did this thing
Like
have a
it-
couple accidents, like a
No,
hole
it would
breach?
start
Or...
filling up with water, so then we would have to turn the bilge pump on, and then I started looking closer, and it's like, yeah, that's what's going on.
Great.
So this sucker, though, I'm thinking is probably like glued on.
Do you want to take like the top trim off? Like just take this trim off right now to get a break from it, so we can maybe assess some. Because we've worked on this part right here, like 3 hours total, 4 hours.
Yeah.
So I recommend let's just take a break and take the trim off. You know how you said you wanted to take the trim off? I was talking about your big long one with two sides on the pry bar. Oh. Dad,
Yep.
we're getting a lot of movement in here.
Okay.
It's all like pushing forward, or forward in here.
Hand me the green pry bar.
Trade.
Yeah, well, not trade, I just need it in addition.
Oops. I was going to use that. Do you want me to also like just start malleting it a tad bit so you get two forces working together and it starts sliding? Dad?
Yeah, you can tap it. Make sure you're tapping.
Bottom. I feel like I'm moving it, Dad.
I think you are a little bit.
I hear stuff crackling, Dad.
Yeah.
It's coming on. I hear like tons of, like the wood is just splitting.
We're moving. Okay. Actually, let's, yeah, you're doing all right.
It's definitely moving, but yep, it's coming. Oh, I just saw it move there. When I hit it with my super strong one, it moved. Want me to give it my whack?
Come over here now.
Did that move?
Not yet.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you to kind of go around the whole. Oh, it's moving. That it's coming out. It's the top that's not moving.
Right.
Which, if I hammer it out, that could help. Want me to hit or?
Sure.
Okay, I'll hit a tad bit. I don't think it's budging. Dad.
It kind of is, but it's kind of not. I think it's definitely stuck at the top.
I see stuff connected. I see it's definitely glued. I see some overspray glue.
A lot of glue.
Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. I see the rudder turning. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep doing that. This thing just will not budge.
It's budging.
Oh, I see light. I see light. Yep. You've definitely got something. Good. I can see light on your right, Dad. On your right. So I see. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh. This seems to be working.
I think it was sealed. Yeah, I think this was resealed.
Oh, Dad, yep. I'm starting to. I see the little.
Okay, see if you can you get it out?
No, I cannot. It's budged up against something.
Okay.
It would need to be a little straighter.
There we go.
Oh, there.
Okay. Then,
It's hooked up to wiring. So
yep.
I can't.
Let's see what it does here.
Oh yeah.
Leave it there for you. It'll be right.
Nice job. But the rub's not done yet. Oh. Hang on. You're dragging out the line.
So,
Well, this line can come out. But we need to figure out somehow pull up the steering cable.
it'll just come out.
Well, not the whole cable, the light. It won't. The wire won't budge, Dad. Want me to disconnect?
Just sit in there. Okay. Wow.
Here, let me hop out. I need to see this.
Hold on here. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I gotta. Okay, so we have the engine out. We have all the mounting hardware out, and as you can see here, we have rot to deal with. So the next plan is going to be probably making some type of jig to transfer these measurements and holes and figure out the overall what we want to do here for rebuilding this. And then the other question is going to be, how far in does this go? Because there's definitely some rot on the floor, and it's like, how far into the boat does it all go? But for now, that's what we have. Okay.